Hey everyone. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to factor a binomial where they are two squares, but it's a difference. They're differences of two squares. Okay, so let's say you need to factor a squared minus 16. Now remember I said this is called difference of two squares. Well, when you think difference, okay, what operation is that? Difference? Well, it's subtraction. So in this case, if you look, it's subtraction. Okay, and then two squares. Well, check this out. A squared. Okay, that's a square. And then we've got 16. Okay, don't just ignore the minus sign, but we've got 16. Okay, so 16 a perfect square. It sure is. Okay, what's the square root of 16? Well, it's 4. Okay, so it's nice. It's easy to spot out difference of two squares because you see the two squares and then you got that minus sign in there. Okay, so what you literally just need to do is just set it up like this with the two parentheses, and then just bring down that a, or bring down that variable that they use. So in this case, we've got an a, so just a, and then our signs, one's going to be a plus and one's going to be a minus. It will always, always, always work out this way. This will always be a plus, will always be a minus. Well, or vice versa. This could be a minus, this could be a plus, but you're going to have a pair of a plus sign and a minus sign. And then what goes in here is this, the square root of 16. So it's 4. There you go. So we just factored this binomial, and this is our answer. Okay, so let me give you a different one. Okay, let me give you, okay, this one, f squared minus 81. Okay, so let's set it up again. Put your parentheses marks in there. Okay, so what goes here? That's right. It is we put the variable in there. Okay, and this will be plus, minus, or we could switch it up. Maybe we'll make this one a minus sign and we'll make this one a plus sign. Okay, then we just got to fill in these two spots. Okay, now what will we plug in there? Well, square root of 81 is 9. So then we just plug that 9 in there. And there you go. Okay, all right, let me give you a harder one. Okay, let's do 25a squared minus 36 x to the 6th. Okay. All right. Okay. So, so then now in this case, we're going to do the same thing. Okay. The only difference is that we have coefficients here, and that's okay. What's the square root of 25? Okay, it's 5. Okay, so we'll plug that in there. And then a square, square root of a square is a. So we're going to bring down that a. Okay, now remember our signs. One's plus, one's minus. Okay, square root of 36 is 6. Okay, and then square root of x to the 2nd will be x to the 3rd. There you go. Okay. Alrighty, let me give you one more problem. Okay, in this case, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. So it'll be 9 minus 4b to the 2nd. Okay, let's set this up. Okay, now the only difference is that the constant is first. So it's pretty easy. Same thing, just what's the square root of 9? Okay, 3. There you go. And then our signs, same thing, plus, minus, okay. And then square root of 4 is 2. Put that in there. And then the square root of b to the second is b. There you go.